Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me in the garage. I am certainly glad that 2021 is behind us, that 2022 is the new year. Happy New Year. In this year's videos, got a lot of good things coming your way. I'll be doing all kinds of videos on electric vehicles, of course. In my videos, I do a bunch of technical comparisons. They're for the layman, they're not for the scientist. I put it in terms that everyone can understand, and I'll show you the differences in black and white. Some of the comparisons this year will be between a hybrid, a plug-in hybrid, and a battery electric vehicle. I'll be showing you in detail, but in layman's terms, the differences between these vehicles so you can make an intelligent decision and see for yourself on which vehicle is best for you. I've got a bunch of trips planned this year in the Tesla. We'll be going to Wyoming a few times. I'm going to be even driving up through North Dakota, so if you've not been to North Dakota, don't miss that episode. Be heading to California, got a trip to New Mexico, and one down to Tucson, Arizona. So this year I'll be all over the place in the Tesla Model Y. I need to ask you guys a favor. I'm trying to grow my channel even more to get more of my videos to people that have not had the opportunity to see them. Maybe these folks are looking to buy an electric car or perhaps just buying a new car in general. I hope some of my videos will help them understand the difference between a fossil fuel, a hybrid, a plug-in hybrid, and a battery electric car like my Tesla. There's a couple of my friends that also have YouTube channels that I think you'd be interested in. First is Brian Reby Drives Electric. His link is down below. He lives up in Minnesota and he does all kinds of cold weather things, travel, things like that in his Tesla Model Y. If you're considering buying an electric car, Brian's channel is really good. Another friend of mine is Jim, the Iowa Tesla guy. His link is down below. I ask that you subscribe to both Brian and Jim. Their links are below. There's a lot of good information on how to drive your electric car. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos and take care.